Oh, the rain is falling on the window tonight as I sit here thinking of the past and how we once loved each other, and I'm wondering why it didn't last. With each falling raindrop tapping on the window, I think of all the tears I've cried for you, and the howling of the wind in the darkness speaks of all the loneliness that I've gone through. Oh, the rain is falling on the window tonight as I sit here thinking of the past and how we once loved each other, and I'm wondering why it didn't last. I hold you in my heart even though we are apart. I still think our love was meant to be, and each night as I kneel at my bedside, I pray the Lord will bring you back to me. Oh, the rain is falling on the window tonight as I sit here thinking of the past and how we once loved each other, and I'm wondering why it didn't last. Oh, the rain is falling on the window tonight as I sit here thinking of the past and how we once loved each other, and I'm wondering why it didn't last. Oh, somehow it just didn't last.